back on the track here after a couple of years off due to serious breakage. Head track official.